Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete all Discord messages at once fast. Open Discord. If you right-click on any message, you can see that only the option to delete that message appears, but not all of them. Now click on the server and click on the app directory. In the search, enter Clear Chat. Press enter and then click on Clear Chat Bot. You will click on Add App, select the server and click on Continue. Then validate the permissions, go down completely and click on Authorize. You may have to complete a CAPTCHA. Press the Escape key to return to the Discord server. Again, click on the server and this time open the option Server Settings. There, go to the Roles section. On the Clear Chat Bot role, click on Edit to modify it. Then in the Permissions tab, activate the switch Manage Channels. Click on Save Changes to confirm this. Now on the server, click on Clear Chat Bot. In the drop-down menu, click on the command/clear all. You will see it in the message box. Press enter to see that all your Discord messages will be deleted. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.